This is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls for this device. So to begin with, you need to launch settings, then enter the Google category over here. If you have any Google accounts linked to your device, you will need to sign out of them or remove those accounts, which you can do by tapping over here, going into manage accounts on this device option, and in here open the page for each Google account you have and remove it like so. Once you have no accounts left, you can start the actual setup procedure. So enter the parental controls over here, get started, child or teenager, next. Onwards, tap at the add or create account for a child option. Sign into your child's Google account or create one if you do not have it on your hands. In my case, I do have an account ready, so I'll just log into, said account. Just then proceed with the login as you would do usually or normally. Then choose it from the list. Next, we will need to enter the credentials for the parent's Google account or the Google account that you will use for supervision or supervising the child's activity. Then scroll the following page all the way down. In order to confirm the accounts linking procedure, type in the child's password or password to the child's Google account once again, then tap at the agree button, then allow, wait for parent and child accounts to get linked. Then click next. More. Next. Next. In here, if the device that is written in a bold font is the one that you'll use as parent, tap the blue button and the family link app will get automatically downloaded and installed on your device. If that's not true, just go for skip option and install the needed app manually. So at this point, all the preparations on the child's end were successfully finished and done at this point. Now you will need to take your device as parent. Make sure to log into the account that you have earlier identified as supervisor's account. Open the Play Store on said device. At the search bar, look for the family link, install the app. When the app has been successfully installed, launch it. Make sure that the account that you choose here is the one that you have earlier identified as supervisor's account, then continue. And in here at the family link app, you can set data limits for your child's device. configure the downtime routine, change app limits, allow or restrict app access, and monitor the app activity. Then apply some content restrictions for Google Play, YouTube, Google Chrome, Google Search, and Google Assistants. Then configure account settings, manage devices if you have multiple, monitor your child's location, and see the child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it as far as setting up parental controls go. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.